Sow some seeds of happiness when you display this Welcome to Our Patch sign project from
DesignerStencils.com.
To recycle an old wooden tray, first sand down the outer edges. Next, scour the inside so that the paint has a good surface to adhere to. Use frog tape painter's tape to mask off the inside edge. Fill in the rest of the inside with clean rags. Following the instructions on the can, apply some stain to the bare wood. Wipe away the excess oil and allow to dry completely. Next, mask off the stained edges. Apply a couple of coats of a white primer paint combination. Now, cover the stencil with a section of Glad Press and Seal and flatten to remove any bubbles or wrinkles. Use the Gyro Cut Craft and Hobby cutting tool to trim around the main body of the pumpkin designs. Turn the blade sideways and use it to lift a corner of the trim plastic, then peel it away. Also, trim away the excess plastic around the stencil. Next, spray the back side of the stencil with repositionable spray adhesive and wait 30 seconds or so before positioning it on the tray. Place frog tape around the edges of the stencil for extra protection. Shake your bottle of Americana Pumpkin Spice acrylic paint prior to pouring out a small amount on a paper plate. Soak the brush bristles thoroughly, then remove excess paint on the edge of the plate and then by swirling the brush on a stack of paper towels. The brush should be barely wet. Too much paint will result in bleeding underneath the stencil. Apply the color in multiple light coats using the same swirling motion as earlier. Next, trim the Glad Press and Seal around the text and peel it away. Switch to Burnt Umber and stencil the words using the aforementioned technique. Next, peel away the remaining plastic before adding a fresh piece over the unpainted elements. Trim around the stem and swirl designs and peel away the press and seal. Switch to Avocado and stencil the remaining design elements. Once finished, lift the tape and peel away the stencil, revealing your fanciful new "Welcome to our patch" sign.
For more tips and ideas, visit designerstencils.com today.